This is the TX80 Pro Android TV box. Let's see how to install it for the first time. First, plug the power adapter into the TV box. Now plug in HDMI cable between the TV and the TV box. Now plug in the Bluetooth adapter that came with the remote. If you don't plug it into the TV box, the remote won't work. Now turn on the power. The TV box is now turned on. Now put new batteries in the remote. Now go to your TV. Go to the HDMI 1 option on your TV. Wait a few minutes. Now grab the remote of your TV box. Go to Settings. Click on Network and Internet. Now connect your TV box to Wi-Fi. Select your Wi-Fi device. Enter the Wi-Fi password. The TV is now connected to Wi-Fi. Now go back. Go to Account and sign in. Click on Google. Now add your Google account to your TV. Enter the Google account password. Now you need to give permission from your phone where your Google account is added. Now the Google account has been added to the TV. Finally, the TX80 Pro TV box setup is complete.